Nembala livele Eswatini neleGhana zavela ukhombisile ubumbana kwamasiko njengoba umshado walamave yokushelana lugwayi kwamasiko kulokunye lokuningi sewuvele uqalile. Inkosi yesizwe sase-Ashanti inkosi Otumfo Osei Tutu wesibili yemukele isilo semhlaba nenkhosikati Make Lamagongo umcimbi wemgido wesintu lowatiwa ngeledeba. Umkhosi bowubanjelwe esigodlweni abili kanye nesivumelwano tekubambisana kutentuthuko kanye nekuthuthukisa iminotho. Ungenelwe-ke natikhulu letikhona ngaphansi kolobukhosi base-Ashanti kwatise ukuthi umkhosi lomkhulu kakhulu lolungiselwe yona ngenyama yemaswati. Imbubo yemhlaba ivusele inkosi yema-Ashanti kulo mkhosi lapho khona silo sithumselele inkosi nemkhosi lobe impumelelo. Nkhosikati inkosi yesizwe sase-Ashanti kanye nebamfa benkosi nabo bathethe ithuba lekuvusela silo semhlaba nenkhosikati Make Lamagongo. Iphefumula umhlaba ingwenyama kulo mkhosi ivete ukuthi amasiko ayasifaka isandla lesibandi kuthuthukisa umnotho ngeke yaphindza futhi yahlanganisa itive avete nesithombe semvelaphi nebuve.
What we see is more than a gathering. It is living testimony to the Asante spirit, a celebration of your culture, resilience, and a reaffirmation of the significant role of traditional leadership. It reminds us of our cherished cultural traditions in the kingdom of Eswatini, like the Ingwala, Umhlanga, and the Marula festival. Like your Dubaya, our cultural ceremonies are vibrant displays of unity and identity passed down from our ancestors. They are a celebration of culture preserved through the ages, now entrusted to us to vigorously pass it on to our children. In a world of competing foreign influences, we must hold fast to these traditions, ensuring they remain the heartbeat of our identity.
Imbubo iphindze yendlusela isimemo enkosini yema-Ashanti ukuthi ithathe lithuba iye kuyawuhlanganyela nemaswati kuleminye yemikhosi yelive. Sikhulu Nana Otuwe Seribo Juabuyene egameni lenkosi yema-Ashanti semukele ingwenyama kulo mkhosi. Saphindze futhi saveta ukuthi luvakasho lwengwenyama lutawucinisa ubumbana emkhathini kolobukhosi lobubili.
He recognizes in you a fellow guardian of custom, a leader of vision, and a monarch who has upheld the proud traditions of his people while steering them toward modern advancement. As our drums speak in celebration and our hearts open in fellowship, we trust that your visit shall strengthen the bonds of kinship between Eswatini and Asante.
Inkosi yase-Ashanti yethule tipho engwenyameni lekunguleto letifakazela buhlobo lesebuqinisiwe emkhathini kwelive leSwatini kanye nebukhosi be-Ashanti. Nenkosikati yenkosi yase-Ashanti nayo yethule isipho sembubo yemhlaba kanye nesenkosikati. Editsabeni kubika Pholile Maziya eKumasi eGhana.
Sibekaya be Eswatini Medical Christian University bathi sekuyakhanya ngembili ukuthi salele nyuvesi ifundisa